Hello students, today we are going to study valence bond theory postulates. When two atoms are approaching to each other, the two types of forces arises, namely attractive and repulsive force. These are the postulates. When attractive force is balanced, the repulsive force, it attains the minimum energy and bond is formed. Here, valence bond theory for the molecules. Let us take two hydrogen atom whose nucleus is Ha and Hb and its electron Ea and Eb. These are electrons, these are the hydrogen atom, right? Two hydrogen atoms. When one hydrogen atom is approaching to another hydrogen atom, there will be two types of forces. The attractive forces arises due to अट्रैक्टिव कब होगा? जब हाइड्रोजन का एक एटम और इलेक्ट्रॉन होगा. हाइड्रोजन एक एटम, इलेक्ट्रॉन, हाइड्रोजन एटम, इलेक्ट्रॉन, उस टाइप से होगा. बट द रिपल्शन फोर्स, अट्रैक्टिव फोर्स occurs in this form. See this. EA, हाइड्रोजन का इलेक्ट्रॉन, हाइड्रोजन इलेक्ट्रॉन, that attract attractive force. But the repulsive force arises due to electron or hydrogen and hydrogen. Same types it attracts. Same types जो होगा that will repel. Different types वो हमें पता है different type के होंगे तो attract होगा और same type will repel. Right? This is shown repulsion force. It is observed that magnitude of attractive force is more than the repulsive force. Right? Magnitude is attractive force more than the repulsive force that we observed. At particular internucleus distance, the net force is balancing the repulsive force. At this stage, it attains a minimum energy and bond is formed. The hydrogen atom is existing as H2. The hydrogen atom कैसे exist करता है? H2 के molecule which is more stable compared to H atom. कभी अकेला H देखा है? एक H atom? No, it always exists as a H2. Its bond enthalpy is -435.8 kilojoule and bond length is 74 picometer. Diagram for H2 molecule is VBT theory, valence bond theory. Here internuclear distance is there and on the y-axis bond is there. What is there? That is 74 picometer H2 molecule is formed. But at different nucleus distance, H exists, then akela H this forms. But at the 74 picometer, each exists as a H2 molecule. Next is molecular orbital theory. When two atomic orbital is approaching to each other and overlapping in such a way that it will lose its identity and form a molecular orbital. देखो अकेला O होगा तो ये एग्जिस्ट नहीं करेगा, बट O2 होगा तो ये वाली आइडेंटिटी, खुद की आइडेंटिटी लूज करके दूसरे की आइडेंटिटी ले लेगा. वही है फीचर्स ऑफ मॉलिक्यूलर ऑर्बिटल थियरी. व्हेन two or more atomic orbitals are combining with, it gives its equivalent molecular orbital. There are two types of molecular orbitals: bonding molecular orbital and anti-bonding molecular orbital. The bonding molecular orbital will have less energy than atomic energy. Bonding molecular, I will show you. You write first this. In the diagram, it will be clear. The bonding molecular orbital will have less energy than atomic orbital. किस टाइप का होगा? इस टाइप का शेप रहेगा. उसमें ये जो होता है नीचे लोअर पार्ट दैट इज बॉन्डिंग मॉलिक्यूलर एंड दिस पोर्शन अपर वाला दैट इज फॉर एंटी बॉन्डिंग मॉलिक्यूलर ऑर्बिटल. तो ये व्हाट दे आर टेलिंग, द बॉन्डिंग मॉलिक्यूलर ऑर्बिटल हैव लेस एनर्जी. बॉन्डिंग मॉलिक्यूलर ऑर्बिटल इज हैविंग लेस एनर्जी एज कंपेयर टू एंटी बॉन्डिंग मॉलिक्यूलर ऑर्बिटल. इन एटॉमिक ऑर्बिटल electrons are influenced by only one nucleus. In molecular orbital, the electrons are influenced by two or more nucleus. Molecular orbital, the electrons are influenced by two or more nucleus. The electron in molecular orbital is filled by following rules. ऑफ बे, दिस इज ऑफ बे रूल जो सेकेंड यूनिट में हम पढ़ चुके हैं. ऑफ बे रूल, हुन्स रूल एंड पॉली एक्सक्लूशन प्रिंसिपल्स, ये रूल्स है तीनों, 1 2 3. दिस आर द रूल्स which are applied in the molecular orbital. The molecular orbital is formed by linear combination of atomic orbital. Today you write this and keep in notebook. You will be understood by solving the molecular orbital theory. At that time I will revise this again. Okay, thank you.